to indicate a place or location. Over there, right there, over here, out there. The keys are over there on the table. The office is right there next to the coffee shop. You can find your coat over here. The children are playing out there in the yard. To refer to existence or presence, there is, there are, is there. There is a meeting at 3 p.m. today. There are many new books in the library. Is there a good restaurant nearby? Are there any tickets left for the concert? To express a concept of existence in an abstract sense. There's no need, there's something, there's no way, there's no need to worry about the deadline. There's something I need to tell you. There's no way we can finish the project on time. To point out a location in space or time. From there on, from there forward. We walked from there to the park. You can travel from there on without any issue. The situation changed from there forward. To introduce or refer to a subject in a sentence. There's a possibility, there's an opportunity, there's a chance. There's a possibility that it will rain tomorrow. There's an opportunity for growth in this field. There's a chance we can finish early today. Common collocations with there. There's no, there's always, there's nothing, there's time. There's no reason to delay the project. There's always a solution to every problem. There's nothing wrong with your idea. There's time for a quick break before the meeting.